Hello, CIS parents and parents and students. I am so excited that you're going to be joining my virtual class. I do want to take a little bit of time to introduce myself and let me see if I can make this bigger. No. To kind of show you my virtual classroom and how I kind of do things and where you can find things. I hope that you use this video the first day that you're trying to work through where to find all the things. Maybe go back and watch this video again and pause it as you log in to find those things. So let's start with this is what your homepage will look like. It just says virtual reading and writing. I will be adding you to this classroom as we end this semester and get ready to start in January. And so I really want to show you the main thing of where do I find the videos to watch my teacher and where do I find my work. So that is so easy for you. So if you go to classwork, you're going to see a tab here that says videos and assignments. So every single week I post a new link that has a document, and that document has everything you need for the week. So I want to show you what that looks like. So you just open this Google Doc and it'll tell you what weeks it is. And then you're just going to go down the list for each day. So if this is Monday, it's telling you exactly what you need to do. You need to click here and watch the read aloud. Usually it's me reading the book to you and the different stories. You're going to click on these links and they will take you to a video of the lesson. Click here for the assignment. So it's very important that you come to this page every single day. This page is what's going to guide you through what you need to be doing. I think this is another one. A lot of times you'll see in here it says 15 minutes of free read, so you can just read whatever you want on those days. But you just click and there's a YouTube video. That one had Mr. Beasley. That was myself. And it's just me reading the different books to you. Maybe it's me standing at the board teaching a lesson. So whatever we need to do, everything is here for you on each day. So you just scroll down and there are 5 boxes, but not always 5 for every day. So you just scroll down all the way to the bottom and make sure that you do exactly what you're supposed to do. And that is it. Like, if you go to that page every day, it's going to link you to everything that you need for class. So a little bit about myself. My name is Reagan Wangler. I have 2 children of my own, and then I have 3 bonus kids. So together, my husband and I have 5 children. It is busy all the time. I have been teaching. This is my 10th year of teaching. All of those years except for 1 has been in reading and writing. So it's kind of my place, my comfort zone. I love to plant, but most of all, I love to cook. I love cooking for people. Like, I'm not good at crafting and decorating and those kinds of things, but I am good at cooking some food and organizing some food for some people and those kinds of things. So that's kind of my spot, is cooking and hosting people over and those kinds of things. I'm excited for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email will be included once I add you to this virtual classroom. After that, I look forward to meeting you, and I will see you on our Google Meet soon.